I'm Fatima and you're watching the Monica Chronicles where stories unfold one seat at a time. So ngayong gabi, we're joined by someone whose name rings loudly across the local film industry. With nearly 17 years of experience in storytelling, directing, and bringing narratives to life, this guest has shaped the way we see camera today. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Direct A from Kita sa Una. Hi, Direct. Thank you for coming po.
Wow,
So, kamusta na po, Direct?
well, it's an honor to be back here, no? Na may interview ulit ni Fatima. Thank you for
thank you so
inviting
much.
me.
So, how's life, Direct? Kamusta naman ang pagiging director sa inyong bagong movie ngayon?
Well, medyo busy, no, lately kasi, for the preparation of our upcoming film na I'm so excited din dahil malapit na rin siyang ipalabas nationwide.
So, congratulations, Direct. So, can you tell a bit about sa movie, Direct? Kung ano ba or what's the story behind it?
Kita sa Una is actually about getting betrayed by someone you truly love.
Grabe, Direct. Napakalalim pala ng pinanggagalingan ng movie na to.
Yeah, and what makes it more interesting talaga is that the film was about true to life story. And I'm so glad and happy that nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na maisa pelikula yung storya na ito. And yeah, I'm so excited to make it into public.
So, Kita sa Una is a short film, no? So, paano mo na-manage, Direct, paano mo na-manage ma-fit yung whole narrative with a limited time?
Well, good question, no? Actually, kung nabigyan lang tayo ng pagkakataon, no, or chance to make it more longer, sana mas nabigyan pa natin ng justice yung pelikula. But then, to manage the situation, since meron lang tayong limited time, no, mas binigyan ko ng highlights yung alam kong kapupulutan ng storya ng manonood. Yung alam kong mas magbibigay ng buhay sa pelikula natin. So yeah, I'm so excited na mapanood to at kaabang-abang talaga.
So, could you give a scene sa movie, Direct, na could you call the scene or the heart na scene talaga sa movie na to?
Wow, best scene or the heart of the film. Oh yeah, actually may scene dito na alam kong kaabang-abang kasi may parte ng pelikula na may malalaman ng main character natin which is si Marjorie na hindi niyo malalaman ngayon unless na lang kung papanoorin niyo yung pelikula.
Grabe, interesting yan, Direct, Parang bago yan sa mga supporters mo.
Yeah, and what makes it more interesting talaga is finally kasali ako sa cast.
Wow! Parang bago talaga yan, Direct,
Yes.
So, ang next question ko sa'yo, Direct. Bilang director, syempre may mga several choices tayo sa mga actresses, no? Bakit si Bea yung pinili mo na specifically na mag-fit sa film mo na to?
Well, I've been working with Bea for almost about 17 years already. And besides of that reason, alam ko na mapoportray niya talaga ng maayos yung story ng pelikula.
Na mafe-fit talaga siya
Yeah,
sa
and
film mo, Direct.
Fit talaga siya sa character, sa main, which is the main character. Kasi, well, we're almost, doing it for almost a decade. And I'm proud to say na na-portray naman talaga ni Bea yung pelikulang to, yung character sa pelikulang to. Yeah, and I think that's what's more kaabang-abang talaga about this pelikula.
So, sa inyo ni Bea, Direct, may mga challenges ka ba na na-encounter during the shoot?
Challenges? Well, actually, marami kaming na-encounter na challenges in making this film. Pero one thing na tumatak talaga is kung paano namin matatransform si Bea into this new character of her. Since, we've been working for so many years na ibang putahe naman to, ibang timpla naman ng Bea Suhat.
Parang bagong genre na ni Bea to sa
Yes.
film mo, Direct.
And yan yung naging challenge talaga sa amin, kung paano namin siya ma-put into this new character of her. Yes. Well, actually, that's kinda challenging, but I'm happy na na-portray naman talaga ni Bea.
Ang dami niyong pinagdaanan during shooting, no? Pero I'm really happy and excited sa inyong bagong film and I'm grateful na dumating kayo dito sa studio namin to share your thoughts about sa film mo, no? And
Baka may mga upcoming movies kayo
Yes,
direct,
yes.
no? Or may message kayo sa inyong mga supporters?
Yes! Well, for now, maybe mag-focus muna tayo sa promotion ng Kita sa Una. Me and my team was actually planning for a shoot about a documentary na alam kong kapupulutan din ng storya ng ating Manny.
Yes, and lahat talaga ng mga projects mo direct, no? Kaabang-abang, napaka-interesting talaga. So, baka may mga message ka direct sa iyong mga supporters.
Oh yes, thank you for giving me, well, first of all, thank you for giving me the chance to promote our upcoming film. Yes, to our kapamilya, I am inviting you all to watch our upcoming film, pelikulang Pilipino. It is Kita sa Una, and it will be showing on November 6 nationwide. This was actually starring by Bea Suhat and many more artists na aabangan nyo. Directed by Al Amani.
Yes, thank you so much, Direk. I really appreciate you, Direk. Thank you so much.
And that's a wrap another insightful episode of the Monoblock Chronicles. Huge thanks to Direct Annie for sharing wisdom, stories, and inspiration with us. If you enjoyed tonight's conversation, don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more meaningful dialogues on this very chair. Until next time, this is Fatima.
Three, two, one, action.
Seryoso na guys, be professional.
Ano, may ganun tayo. Kunwari kinakausap.
Nagataliksik na, go, let's go na.
Stay tuned